There are a couple of ways that start kits can look. This one in the middle is the factory. The one on the left is a copy of a factory label taped onto the packaging. Sometimes these get lost, damaged, ripped. So in that case, we have copies that we can use. If everything is missing or damaged, we also have these plastic sealable little pouches that we can use for Ivy Start kits. Here are all the pieces you need to recycle an Ivy Start kit. You need packaging, a 2x2 Tegaderm, Prevantics wipe. It has to be Prevantics wipe. It cannot be alcohol or skin prep. It has to be Prevantics. 2 2x2s. A small roll of tape with a tourniquet inside. It can be a blue tourniquet or an orange. We also have orange in stock. Something to note with the little roll of tape, it has to have tape on it. So please make sure when you're putting a small roll of tape in the kit that it actually still has tape on it. The order in which you put the things in the kit doesn't matter. You can just put everything in there. Once you have everything back in the packaging, you're going to want to put some double-sided tape around the edges. Make sure you seal it up real good, and then you have a completed Ivy Start kit.